X is for xylophone with notes so bright, making music that fills the night with wooden bars and a sound so clear. Xylophones bring joy and holiday cheer. Let's write the letter X, join the fun. Let's learn the alphabet with everyone. Capital X, it has two cross lines. Lowercase x, it's smaller, take your time. X is for xylophone, chime, chime, chime. Learning letters during holiday time. The xylophone played a merry tune, filling the air on a snowy afternoon. Together we played with a cheerful sound. Xylophones teach us music all around. The letter X is in your ABCs. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. Capital X, it has two cross lines. Lowercase x, it's smaller, take your time. X is for xylophone, chime, chime, chime. Learning letters during holiday time. Xylophones fill the room with sound. Let's write the letter X all around. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter X is next in our ABCs. Capital X, it has two cross lines. Lowercase x, it's smaller, take your time. X is for xylophone, chime, chime, chime. Learning letters during holiday time. Learning letters during holiday time.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.